grade 2, A1. Finger numbers and bowings. Slowly. So it's D major. We could play slowly D major. Number 2 high. On A string 2 high. And 2 low on E string. We start on E string and slowly up bow slurred. Next on A string 3, slur up bow 3 to 0, D string 2, reach 4, 3, go on A1, slur 1 to up bow. An E string, keep 1 down, take 3rd finger on A, back to 1, next, very close 2nd finger, bar 4, back to A, 2, slur upper 1, 2, slur again up bow, 2, 4, slur up bow 1, 2, turn on E string 1, 0, stay on E string. Back to A string 2 and 4, A string and 3. 3rd line up bow on E string 1, 2, very close. 3 apart. 1, 3. On E3 again. Slur up bow, number 3 on A, go on E, keep 1 down, take 3rd on A and back to that 1, 2, 1 on A, 4, E string slurred up bow, on E string, D string 3 and 4 finger on A, 2, slurred, on E string, 2 high, on A string on E, 3, bar 17, 3, on A, on E, A string 3, 4 each, 2, slurred, keep 1 down, play 3 on A, back to 1, bit faster.